Hello guys, I hope you all are doing well. In today's video, I am going to unbox the Scrabble Crossword game. Every letter counts in the Scrabble Crossword game. Scrabble is a crossword game for 2, 3, or 4 players. Guys, let's start unboxing. Please watch this video till the end. To play the Scrabble Crossword game, you will need to form words on the Scrabble playing board, using letter tiles with various score values. The objective of the Scrabble Crossword game is to get the highest score. After playing your turn, count the value of all the letters in every new word you created. And remember to add the bonus points for placing letters on premium squares. Depending on the player's skill, the combined total score for a game may range from about 400 points to 800 or more points. The Scrabble Crossword game is played on a square game board, imprinted with a 15 by 15 grid of cells, individually known as squares, each of which accommodates a single letter tile. There are special premium squares on the Scrabble board with bonus score values. For example, a light blue square on the Scrabble game board doubles the score of a letter placed on it, and light red square doubles the score of the word. The instruction manual helps you learn how to play the Scrabble Crossword game. The instruction manual also includes detailed instructions on the game objective. It is quick and easy to understand, and it is in English. Before starting the Scrabble Crossword game, all players must agree to use a dictionary, especially for challenging words. You may consult the dictionary to check the spelling before you add the score, and before the next player starts their turn. This Scrabble Crossword game comes with 4 tile racks. The tile racks are made of plastic. Each player takes a tile rack for arranging their letter tiles, and places it in front of them. Each player must keep 7 tiles on each tile rack, unless there are not enough tiles left. This Scrabble Crossword game also comes with 1 tile bag. You can use this tile bag to keep the tiles. You can also shake this tile bag to shuffle the tiles. This Scrabble Crossword game comes with 100 letter tiles. The letter tiles are made of plastic. There are 98 tiles with letters of the alphabet and 2 blank tiles. Each of the letter tiles has score values. The 2 blank tiles have no score value and can be used as any letter desired. However, when it is played, the player must state what letter the blank tile represents, after which it cannot be changed for the remainder of the game. You must avoid using words only spelled with an initial capital letter, abbreviations, prefixes, and suffixes, and those words containing apostrophes and hyphens. Please like, comment, and subscribe.